to look at your face one last night before I leave you.
An entire night? We gotta leave that home?
Yeah, just in case I wake up in the middle of the night, I just want to look at you. I'm gonna really miss you.
Take a picture with the camera in your holding. You can see me all the time.
Let's sleep like this.
Okay, can we just turn this light off some?
No, because I have to look at you. Smell my face.
Yeah, very minty. Oh, cinnamon.
It's a really deep, nourishing moisturizer, so all the vitamins get back into your skin and supple you at night.
Yeah, I don't think that's the right word. Dude, we gotta go to bed. We have such a long day.
Okay, bye.
Sign off and turn all it off.
Sign off. Okay, bye. I just woke up, and today's the day that Luna and I leave to California. The airport is about an hour and a half away from us. However, I heard it's a mess out there. Traffic is really bad, so we're planning on leaving like 4 hours earlier just to be safe. So yeah, hope everything goes as smooth as possible. I'm nervous traveling, obviously with Luna alone. I've never done that. Hope everything goes well. And yeah, wish me luck. Here you go. You could sleep with that at night. Pretend like I'm right next to you. Come on, let's go. I made you breakfast. Let's enjoy this last breakfast together.
Last?
I mean, like, until I see you again. Are you saying your goodbyes? Is this sad? Are you crying? Yeah, I know you're not gonna see Daddy for 10 days. Going to hide little notes for Michael around the house for him to find while Luna and I are gone. He doesn't know this yet. On my story on Instagram, it's gonna say go check under here, and it's gonna be a little note, so it's just gonna be something fun for him to do. We got to the airport and we are actually 3 hours early. Do you want to call Daddy? All right, let's give him a call.
Hello.
Luna wanted to call you.
Hi, Luna.
Say hi. I'm vlogging.
Hi.
Oh, you're vlogging. Oh, gee. This is going to be interesting. Hi.
Я. Чудеса и только.
Я не поняла.
Сюрприз!
Боже, вы что взялись? Я не поняла. Ты даже
Hi, Leona.
Hi, Larry.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good.
We surprised you guys. Я не поняла, где взялись? Are you surprised? My grandma has no idea that we're here. I'm going to call her right now and say, Grandma, the flights are canceled. We can't come tomorrow. And she's going to get very worried, and then I'm going to go, surprise. Let's go. What if she doesn't answer? She will.
Да, моя внученька дорогая, слушаю тебя.
Hi, бабушка.
Привет, мое солнышко. Ну где вы там? Где вы, солнышко?
Мы застряли, самолеты уже не идут.
Ой, Ой-ой-ой. А бабушка пирожков напекла.
Я не знаю, мне теперь страшно.
Самолеты летали.
Ну, это некоторые места летали, а некоторые уже не летали. Боже мой, я не могу. Ну, это не дети, это я не знаю, ну что это такое? Бабушка ножки задрала, ой, я не могу. А бабушка пирожков напекла, что ты? Ты моя солнышко, а бабушка твоя.
So, I gotta go use the restroom. So, I gotta go use the restroom. So, I gotta go use the restroom.